Welcome to The Structure is the New Sexy Private Podcast Experience. My name is Kendra J. Lewis, the boss architect, and I am going to be your hostess with the mostest on this journey, but also your resident business architect. So let's dive right into it. Why did I create The Structure is the New Sexy podcast? Well, here's the thing. I frankly got tired of seeing talented experts, people who are amazing at what they do, struggle in the digital space with attracting the clients that they deserve, making the money that they deserve, and trying to compete with Instagram influencers when they are, in fact, an expert. I got tired of seeing these talented business owners run themselves into the ground, hustling and grinding because they're working entirely too hard to play a game that they think they need to play, when the game that they actually need to be playing is right in front of them. I wanted you to see what structure looks like, something that you already appreciate. I wanted you to see what it looks like when you install Fortune 500 business structure into your business to banish the overwhelm, to banish the busy work and the hard working and competing with somebody who can't even hold a candle to your expertise. I want to usher you into the season of the expert. Because if you haven't realized it, things in these parts of the internet have changed. People are no longer buying stuff because they're bored and at home like they were during the pandemic. They're no longer falling for the hype and the scams and the glitz and the glam. You are in the season of the expert where people want substance and where the people who are going to be ready to capitalize on this marketplace are the ones who are ready to build big, the ones who are ready to play big, and the ones who are ready to command big dollars. So you need to understand that we're not going to win this with being sexier, not sexier in the traditional sense. We are going to dominate the marketplace by getting sexy with structure. Because there's nothing that beats the chaos of anything, the chaos of the marketplace, the chaos of what you're doing in your business day to day, the chaos of not knowing if your revenue is going to be consistent or not, the chaos of not understanding who you serve and how you make money and how to get in front of the people who are going to pay you what you deserve. Nothing beats that chaos like structure. And not just any type of structure. I'm talking about big business structure. And why can I talk big business structure? Well, I am a Fortune 500 finisher. My background has been installing the infrastructure inside of the largest companies in the world. And when I say infrastructure, I mean the largest companies in the world come to me when they are ready to do three things: when they are ready to launch fast, when they are ready to build big, and when they are ready to finish it. And I make sure that the people, the process, and the technologies are built in order to make those three things happen. And so I'm bringing those same tactics to you. And I've been bringing those same tactics and strategies and the infrastructure to business owners to finish for years. So, yeah, I'm qualified to talk about structure. And I want to tell you that we are going to be intentional with the structure. We're going to be intentional with what we are doing with our time. We're going to be intentional with who we work with, who we attract, how we talk about ourselves, how we design, quite literally, the infrastructure of our business. So I want to make sure we're on the same page and that we're speaking the same language. So let me tell you what I mean when I say structure. When I say structure, what I mean is the design of your business, meaning how you make money, who you serve, how you deliver to your clients. What I also mean are what are the processes, your core processes that you have that run your business. I also mean the systems and technology that you utilize to run your business. And finally, I mean how you organize and prioritize your time and your task to make sure you are only doing the most impactful things that move your business forward. So, we're going to dive into all of these things. I'm going to share with you the exact method that I installed in my business when I first started that allowed me to scale my side hustle. I need to say that one more time. My side hustle to 7 figures in 22 months. I'm going to show you then the same system that I used repeatedly again and again to up level my business every single time. Now, the final thing I want to say about this is not about quick money. This is not about, oh, make some money today, like do this little quick thing. A million other people can teach you quick money. But let me tell you something about quick money. Quick money goes as quickly as it comes. That's why it's called quick money. The fleeting fads that you may hop onto, the things that look so cute and so fluffy and just make you want to do them. A lot of the people that have been teaching you to do those things, if you look to your left and you look to your right, they are no longer in business. I stand here firm, 10 toes down, right? Being in business for a long, long time. I've been a business owner since I was 23 years old, and I am no longer a spring chicken. And I want to teach you about scaling for sustainability. You want to be around for the long term because sustainability builds wealth. Now, before we go to the next episode, I just want to give you one more Kendraism. Money is loud, but wealth is quiet. So on this journey, we're going to learn how to unlock that quiet wealth in your business. I'll see you in the next episode.